This robot is saving hours of human work and it only costs $2. A Japanese farmer named Mr. Shiozawa built a potato sorting machine at home using only simple electronics and household parts. Instead of expensive industrial machines, his device automatically measures potatoes and sorts them by weight with impressive accuracy. As each potato is put on the device, the system checks its weight and drops it into different baskets. It is a simple idea that saves hours of work. And if you want to see more such amazing tech ideas, subscribe now.